Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video. When discussing male hormones, one key player often in the spotlight is DHT, also known as dihydrotestosterone. This powerful hormone is crucial in male biology, influencing various physical development and sexual characteristics. However, when DHT levels become imbalanced, it can lead to a range of issues, from hair loss to prostate problems. Have you ever wondered about the fundamental differences between DHT and finasteride? You're in the right place because today, we will explore the truth about these two components and how they impact our health. Let's address the elephant in the room: the common misconceptions and confusion surrounding DHT and finasteride. Many believe DHT is solely responsible for hair loss, while finasteride is a miracle solution. However, reality is far more complex, and it's essential to separate fact from fiction. We must delve into their biological roles to grasp the significance of DHT and finasteride. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is a potent hormone derived from testosterone that plays a crucial role in hair growth and sexual health. On the other hand, finasteride works by inhibiting the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT, thus altering the hormone balance in the body. Now, let's uncover the truth about the benefits and potential risks of DHT and finasteride. While DHT is essential for various bodily functions, excessive levels can lead to hair loss and prostate issues. On the flip side, finasteride may help combat hair loss but comes with its side effects. Adopting a holistic approach to health is vital, considering all factors when deciding these substances. Understanding the impact of DHT and finasteride on our overall health and well-being is crucial. These two elements often spark confusion and misconceptions, so let's unpack the facts and clear the air. DHT is a derivative of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. It is produced in the body by converting testosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. While DHT is essential for the development of male characteristics such as facial hair growth and deepening of the voice, excessive levels of DHT can contribute to hair loss and prostate enlargement. To manage DHT levels and address related concerns, many turn to finasteride, a medication that works by inhibiting the activity of 5-alpha reductase. By reducing the conversion of testosterone to DHT, finasteride can help slow down hair loss and alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This makes finasteride a popular choice for those looking to maintain their hairline or manage prostate health. Optimal well-being is not just about managing hormone levels or treating specific symptoms. It is about nurturing the body, mind, and spirit. Incorporating holistic practices such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, stress management, and adequate sleep can significantly optimize overall health and well-being. In the journey to boost your biology and achieve optimal health, understanding the role of DHT, exploring options like finasteride, and embracing holistic wellness practices can all contribute to a well-rounded approach to male health and vitality. Produced through the conversion of testosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, DHT exerts its effects on the body by binding to androgen receptors in target tissues. One of DHT's primary functions is regulating hair growth. While DHT is essential for developing facial and body hair during puberty, excessive levels can contribute to male pattern baldness, also known as androgenetic alopecia. DHT can shrink hair follicles in individuals genetically predisposed to hair loss, leading to thinner and shorter hair growth cycles. In addition to its effects on hair, DHT also plays a role in prostate health. The prostate gland, which produces seminal fluid, is sensitive to the effects of DHT. High levels of DHT can contribute to the growth of the prostate gland, leading to conditions such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or prostate cancer. Male pattern baldness and prostate issues are just a few examples of conditions influenced by DHT levels. To address these concerns, various DHT inhibitors have been developed to help manage DHT-related symptoms. One common DHT inhibitor is finasteride, which blocks the activity of 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone to DHT. By reducing DHT levels in the body, finasteride can help slow down hair loss and alleviate symptoms of BPH. Another example of a DHT inhibitor is dutasteride, which inhibits both types of 5-alpha reductase enzymes, further reducing DHT production. These inhibitors can be used with other treatments to address DHT-related conditions and promote overall health and well-being. Understanding the functions and effects of DHT is essential in managing its impact on male biology and optimizing health outcomes. Benefits of finasteride. Finasteride, a medication commonly used to manage DHT levels, offers a range of benefits in treating hair loss and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. One of finasteride's primary benefits is its effectiveness in treating male pattern baldness. By reducing DHT levels in the scalp, finasteride can help slow down hair loss and promote hair regrowth in individuals experiencing androgenetic alopecia. This makes finasteride a popular choice for those looking to maintain their hairline and improve the thickness and density of their hair. In addition to managing hair loss, finasteride is also used to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition characterized by the enlargement of the prostate gland. By reducing DHT levels in the prostate tissue, finasteride can help alleviate symptoms such as frequent urination, difficulty starting or maintaining urination, and a weak urine stream associated with BPH. While finasteride offers significant benefits in managing DHT-related conditions, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects and considerations when using this medication. Some individuals may experience side effects such as decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, or breast tenderness while taking finasteride. It is essential to discuss any concerns or potential side effects with a healthcare professional before starting finasteride treatment. Consulting a healthcare provider before initiating finasteride therapy is crucial to ensure that the medication is appropriate for your individual health needs and to monitor for any potential adverse effects. Boost your biology. When enhancing male biology, holistic approaches exist beyond regulating DHT levels. Individuals can optimize their overall health and well-being by incorporating lifestyle factors, supplements, and natural remedies, comprehensively supporting their biology. A balanced diet rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can support hormone production, energy levels, and overall vitality. Incorporating foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables can provide essential nutrients for optimal male biology. Regular exercise is another critical component of enhancing male health. Physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and cardiovascular fitness and supports hormone balance, muscle strength, and mental well-being. Cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises can promote overall health and vitality. Stress management is also essential for supporting male biology. Chronic stress can disrupt hormone balance, immune function, and mental health, impacting overall well-being. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Certain supplements, such as zinc, vitamin D, and saw palmetto, may help support prostate health, hormone balance, and overall vitality. Natural remedies like herbal teas, adaptogenic herbs, and aromatherapy can promote relaxation, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. A holistic approach to male health can lead to long-term benefits and greater well-being. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for supporting male health by promoting mental clarity, emotional resilience, and reducing stress. Nurturing spiritual wellness can support mental and emotional health through prayer, reflection, or community involvement. Alternative therapies such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, and yoga offer additional avenues for enhancing male health and well-being. Acupuncture, an ancient Chinese healing practice, involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to promote balance and alleviate various health conditions. Herbal medicine, using plant-based remedies, can support immune function, hormone balance, and overall vitality. Yoga, a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathwork, and meditation, can improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. By integrating holistic health practices such as mindfulness, meditation, spiritual wellness, and alternative therapies and focusing on the mind-body connection, individuals can cultivate a sense of wholeness, resilience, and vitality that supports their journey toward optimal health and well-being. Individuals considering using finasteride to manage DHT levels must do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Consulting a medical provider can help ensure finasteride is appropriate for individual health needs, monitor potential side effects, and optimize treatment outcomes for hair loss or benign prostatic hyperplasia. Prioritizing hormone balance, lifestyle factors, and holistic practices can empower individuals to take charge of their health and well-being comprehensively and sustainably.